You can't see me, and there's nature everywhere, and I'm kind of having a serious fixer time. Anyways, so yeah, I'm in. Is it the Long Hunter State Park, Daddy? I'm in the Long Hunter State Park, and this is just
beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, that's my little sister Hayden. Say hi, Hayden.
Hi.
Oh, and those are my parents down there. Daddy, say hi.
Hi.
That's my mommy. Mommy, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. And yeah, we're kind of sitting down on a big flat rock and sitting on a comfortable blanket. And we have some delicious cheddar and sour cream chips. Delicious. I recommend you get those. And a hat.
Say hello.
Hi. Anyways, I have a sandwich and 2 Go-Gurts. So we're pretty packed up, but like, yeah. Doesn't it look beautiful? Nature is amazing, and yeah.
I see the duck pond.
The duck pond, where?
Right there.
There's no pond, that's just grass.
No.
I'm gonna actually go to the duck pond in the lake in a minute. After I get done eating my sandwich, of course, and some chips. So I'm just gonna set you guys right here, because, you know, hey. Hey! Anyways, I have to make sure you guys don't, my tablet doesn't slip down and kill itself. Share the chips! Come on, lady, don't start eating the chips while I'm making a video.
Yeah, that one. We're going to share the chips.
Nom nom. But yeah, pretty soothing. No. That was the road that we were, the trail we were on, the lake trail. Yeah. So soothing. Oh, and look up. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Tree, you're my way. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. They have certain rules, like
don't let slid down because there's a tree right there.
Because like there's rules of no skates, no bikes, and of course no pets. Because you know they didn't know about them, but
you can call ducks pets.
Yeah, I mean.
I told you there was pets here, like only one piece of pets, like this.
One pet.
Yeah.
And ducks aren't considered pets for various reasons.
But you can call them pets.
Yeah, but I would definitely not have a duck as a pet. But yeah. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Mom.
Hey. KK, a big...
Look, it's my shake-a tree. Daddy, I declare to name that the shake-a tree. Oh, it's a little romance tree, like the love seat, the love...
You understand what park is designed to do, but the purpose of state parks is to protect the indigenous trees to our region, like outside trees that you see going around Nashville, stuff like that, that pollinate. They kill them when they get in these forests because they don't want them taking over the forest and doing out our natural habitat that's for this region. So all these trees that you see in this forest are trees that's been in Tennessee for millions of years.
Hashtag educational daddy.
Yes!
It's called Education Time with Daddy. And this is the first time you've been on my YouTube channel. Actually, this is your second time. This is Mommy's first.
Oh.
Because
Didn't you realize I was on the first go around?
Yeah, he's on my very first video.
Can we go to the duck
In a minute, Hayden. In a minute. Look above you. Look above you, Hayden. Like all the way. Look up. Hi. Shh. Hayden, be quiet.
Why? Why? Why?
Is anyone else hearing that? Shh. Hold on. Somebody's back there.
Not.
Daddy, something or somebody's back there. I can hear leaves crunching.
Kayla's probably a deer.
We both just gasp.
Nut squirrel. There's a nut squirrel right there behind that tree. Right there.
Hold on. I'm gonna see something.
There's a nut squirrel right behind that tree.
I'm gonna get a closer look.
You can't see the nut squirrel.
Daddy, I'm gonna try and get a closer look. Try and get a closer look. Be careful. Shh. What?
I keep an eye
I'm so
fly
I can do
down.
it. Birds. Birds. I get excited when I want to say a deer.
Daddy, I see a nut squirrel behind that tree.
A nut squirrel.
And it's so cute, pretty. It's white.
There's a lot of squirrels live out here.
Yeah. But I don't know where the right squirrel. That doesn't look pretty. The wrong squirrel.
Dang it. I know what it was. It was the leaves falling to make crunching sounds with the other leaves.
What if this was your front yard?
Well, that's all for today, guys. Lakes are pretty